How to add link to Facebook story. So now go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Then on your Facebook feed, you will see create story. Tap this and now select the picture or video that you want to post on your story. Tap on the stickers icon located on the right corner. As you've noticed that the link sticker is unavailable in this panel. So what we're gonna do is to go to our Instagram application, and from here, we will create the story. Now tap on the plus icon above your story and select the same photo or video. Then tap the stickers icon and you will see that the link sticker is available in this application. So now go ahead and paste the link that you want to add on your story. Then tap done. Now you can adjust the link to your preference. Once you're done, you can hit the arrow button located on the lower right corner to post. Then tap share and then done. Then tap on your story again. Then tap the Facebook icon located below. So now let's head back to Facebook. Refresh your feed. And you will notice that the story that you've posted in Instagram is also posted on your Facebook account. So tap on your story, tap on the link, and it will direct you to its page. And that's how you add link to your Facebook story. Thank you and have a great day.